Alright guys, we're back with another video, and we did a little bit of work off camera yesterday. It was getting kind of late, so we had to call it, but today we're going to finish up the rest of the welds that are left to be welded, and hopefully get to painting. But before we do that, there's still just a few more members, like going right here, that need to get welded, and Jason over there, he's going to get started on that, and hopefully we get to sanding and painting today, assuming the weather here in Ohio, you know, is acceptable, because it goes from being like, I don't know, 60 degrees to 15 degrees back to 70 degrees and raining, back down to like 25 degrees in a matter of like 6 hours. So alright guys, we ran into a slight problem. We've got about 3 welds left to do, and we're almost completely out of argon. So yeah, we're gonna try and get this done. If not, we might have to resort to some other methods, but hopefully we don't have to stick, because it's probably gonna be terrible. So we just finished all the welds, and now we're getting the frame prepped for sanding and to hit it with the wire wheel and grind down anything that's sharp, and then hopefully get to spraying it with the spray paint. So let's go. With a quick update here. So RJ, he's been working on sanding down and getting this all nice and shiny. I started, I masked off our cart where we're gonna paint, and here is the rear trailing arms as well as the radius arms. They're all masked off, and we acetoned them and cleaned them up. They're ready for the paint. We're gonna be using a Rust-Oleum 2X. It's a priming paint. It's about 25 bucks for a pack of 6, and then we'll be using the clear coat that Rust-Oleum makes. It's like an automotive clear coat, but for now, what we're working on, oh, there's Jason. But what we'll be working on is, here we got taped up the A-arms, and there's the what we'll be spraying. So let's go. So we just applied the first coat for the front A-arms, and man, these are looking really nice. We went with Hunter Green, kind of represent the Wright State colors. Jason over here, he just hit the first coat on the trailing arms, and those are looking really sharp too. We're gonna try and do maybe another coat and then a coat of clear to get these to look really good. They should pop really well. Oh yeah, I don't know if the camera's doing justice, but man, this is looking really nice. It's got some flakes in there. Alright, so, excuse me, I'm in my ridiculous welding jacket, but we just sprayed the first coat for all of the front A-arms and the trailing arms and the radius arms, and man, these are looking nice. It's popping really well in this Ohio weather. It was like 15 or 20 degrees this morning, and now the sun's out, and it's like 55 degrees. Okay, so the frame is prepped. It is time to get this painted, and we're gonna hit this with the same hunter green for the trailing arms and the arms. We're trying to go for this kind of hunter green frame and components, and then all the panels will be aluminum, and we're not gonna do anything to them. We'll leave them, and then we'll throw some black rivets on it. It should look really good when it's done. Finished applying the first coat on the frame. We're using that Rust-Oleum 2X priming paint. It's doing a pretty good job. It's pretty cheap. The entire case was like $25 maybe. So yeah, we got the entire thing, the first coat. We got a couple cans left, and then we're ready to start clear coating all of the A-arms as well as the trailing arms and the radius arms. So we're gonna do that here pretty soon. Here's the, we just applied both coats of the Hunter Green Rust-Oleum 2X, and it's basically done. We need to, after it sits for about an hour or so, we're gonna hit it with some clear coat, a couple coats of that. But, so we're about wrapping up this video. We're gonna keep the, putting the frame and then the rest of the components together for the next one. If you guys like this, like and subscribe, and let us know what you guys wanna see.
Over here we got Voss trying to weld. I think he's doing it. Then we got RJ. He's just looking like he's doing something. Oh, he's got a wrench. There we go. He's being productive.